A falafel salad to feast like true royalty of flavor. Perfect for lunch or dinner. Add chickpeas, onion, parsley, cilantro, garlic, and spices to a food processor. Pulse until the mixture resembles coarse sand. Don't blend completely. Stir in flour and baking soda and mix until fully combined. Bake at 220 degrees Celsius for 25-30 minutes, flipping halfway through until golden and slightly crispy. In a bowl, combine yogurt, lemon juice, garlic, and pepper. Mix well. Serve with lettuce, cucumber, red onion, tomatoes, arugula, sauce, and extra pepper.